So this is what we're reviewing today. This beauty. This is by Gourmande Girls Cosmetics and it's called Warriors Wear Pink. And this is for all the warriors and breast cancer and any cancer survivors. So swatches, reviews, tutorial as usual. I'm Elaina. I'm from Painted with Raven Season 2. You can watch me at WowPresent Plus. I usually do reviews, tutorials, celebrity impersonations, drag looks, you name it, colorful, face paint, anything. So do subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, like, comment, and follow me on social media. All the links down below. So let's get right into this. So I want to thank Christina. Thank you so much for sending this over. If you guys are not new to my channel, you already know I've been reviewing Gourmande Girls for a while, and I'm on PR list, and Christina has been sending me her new releases. Christina is the sweetest person, and she's a friend, and it's not just because she's a friend, because I love the quality right away, and everything I received I've always been in love, and it seems like every time she releases a new palette it gets better and better and better if it's even possible, and this formula is the bomb. So this is a collaboration with Gourmande Girls and Siria. She's a breast cancer warrior and survivor, and so this is what it looks like. Launch on June 19th, which is already launched, 7 a.m. Pacific time and 10 a.m. Eastern time. It's $54.99 for 12 mattes, 3 duochromes, and 1 multichrome. And I can see the whole shifted. And it says, when Siria asked me if I'd be interested in making the palette to honor her journey, I did not hesitate. So it's also a collaboration with Doodles by Bunny for all the design. Doodles by Bunny, she always creates the most beautiful graphics and design for palette. The aesthetically, it's so pleasing, like all the little hearts and all the signs, what do you call it, prints on eyeshadows, everything is gorgeous. This is a very, very special palette, and 5% of every sale is going to be donated to Siria and her family. If you guys are interested, the link is going to be in the description box, and my code should be Elaina Glam. Not 100% sure if it's active for this palette, but usually my code with this brand is Elaina Glam. So thank you so much, Christina. You made a beautiful, beautiful job. This is gorgeous. So you guys highly recommend. So you'll see me apply in the next video, and for swatches. I did swatches on my arm before I even worked out today. So swatches, a little tutorial, and the final words. So let's get right into it. So the swatches, I did this before film, and oh my god, the swatch so beautifully. The turquoise, like I'm living for. So this is the palette, and I swatched it in rose. And this one, oh my god, all the shimmers, this swatch, even better than what they look on the palette. And this is the multichrome, this one. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, there you go. The black is really black, and this light shimmer is amazing. I cannot wait to put this on my eyeballs. So I'll see you in a few. So let's start with black, because I like to start with black. So gorgeous, right? So I decided to do a more rounded shape instead of, you know, the blown out, because I always do this full cut crease all the way to my temple. So, you know, let's do something different. So this is called Darkness, and this is as black and as perfect as usual from Gourmande Girls. I'm packing it on, and I'm blending it out as I'm going. This is a Moda brush. Moda brush detail BMX 420. I like to use less product closer to my nose because my eyes are deep set and they're very deep like here. So I don't like to bring too much darkness in my inner corner. It's not flattering for my eyes. I imagine if your eyes are more hooded and white set, it would be actually better, but for me, it's better not to. I'm doing the low lash line immediately. I want this to be very doll-like with the open eye. So now we go in for peace, the purple. I mean, what did you expect from me? Purple and pink. This is my tea. I love it. It's my comfort zone and also my favorite colors. Blends with black perfectly, easily. Very pigmented. I'm telling you guys, from Gourmande girls, I haven't seen a bad formula yet. Going with Siria. This beautiful pink, that's my favorite shade of pink. Bright and very cool toned. It's like the perfect pink. I used Jessup 231 before, and now I'm using Spectrum brush, and this is Spectrum B10. You know, as always, I go bigger and bigger as they come out. And the primer was actually Be Perfect, just because I haven't used it, and this is very like my skin tone. It's not like white or anything, but it grabs very well. I love this primer. I already did my low lash line. And going with Susie to blend out the pink. This is the most opaque pale pink. You guys think, oh, it's probably gonna be like one of those transparent blend out shades. You can pack it, look at that. It's like one of the most opaque ones. I just love this kind of thing when you really can pack this light color. And hey Susie! Susie is one of our friends. She's very good with everybody, she's very sweet. And she's got Instagram. So if you want to, you can follow her on Instagram. I'm going to try not to forget to link her Instagram in the description box because she's amazing. And I'm still adding pink. As usual, I'm gonna go back to all colors, to the pink, to the purple, to the black. Highlight the brow bone with Tears. And this is a very opaque, it almost looks like a duochrome. I think they're all duochromes. It's like blue and pink and purple or multichrome. Christina always comes up with those amazing multichromes. Every time is something like incredible. This is very beautiful. It's not very glittery though, and I want a lot of glitter here. And I'm just going to add a little bit of Kimchi Chic Beauty, and this is Diamond Shards. So I'm taking the same brush and I'm gonna put a little glitter here. So I'm going to cut the crease off camera because there's nothing to it, and we're gonna come back and do this beautiful turquoise blue color. So turquoise color is called Sea Yellow, and then I'm gonna put in the very inner corner, and this is called Dreams. Yeah, and Dreams I think is multichrome too. I'm not sure about Sea Yellow. Sea Yellow seems like not a multichrome, but the other one definitely is. This is absolutely gorgeous. I just love the stone blue. I like the baby blue too, but this one is so gorgeous too. So I'm gonna use the other side of the brush so they blend a little better, Dreams, because I want them to be more blended. Ah, that is so gorgeous. I love Dreams as well. It was a toss-up for me to put Dreams in my inner corner or go all the way with Yellow, but I wanted to see what Dreams look like, and Dreams is dreamy. I mean, I had to say that because it might sound a little cheesy, but it really is. That is so pretty. Now we got this warrior color. I kind of thought it was like a completely brown, but I think it's like an olivey brown, like a little bit of green in it. So I think it's gonna blend with the blue well, because blue, I mean, it's more turquoise, right? So it's kind of a, it's close, believe me, trust the process. It's not the perfect blend, but we're gonna add some more shimmer and it's all gonna blend. So this is what we got for now. I mean, I need to clean up, obviously. I put a little bit of the same shimmer as the brow bone here in the inner corner, a little bit of glitter, just throw some eyeliner and some gems with the hearts, because, you know, warriors wear pink. It's all about hearts and pink, so I'll be right back with the full face. So this is a final look. I wanted to create this kind of a big doll-like eye, and that's what I did. So I hope I warned you, Christina and Siria Soto. This is, of course, the collaboration, and it celebrates all the women who are warriors and warriors against breast cancer or any kind of cancer and survivors. So this is what we got here. So thank you, Christina, for sending this over. And you guys, I highly recommend this, not just because Christina is my friend and the cause is great, also because, I mean, the formula is the bomb. I gotta be honest, it's just amazing. Just like any other palette, but this one is so special too. The duochromes are so creamy, so incredible. It's just like one swipe and it just goes on. And my fingers are dry, so I haven't even used the Familia yet, and Familia is gorgeous. So yeah. So again, thank you, Christina, for sending this over. If you guys are interested, this is going to be available. It is actually already available because I'm filming this before Monday, of course, but this is going to be available on Monday. And by the time you watch this, it's already been launched. It launched at 7 a.m. Pacific time, and now if you're watching me exactly when it came out, it's noon. So hopefully you already picked it up and you're not going to be disappointed. This is so good. If you wonder what I'm wearing my lips, this is Stay Golden Cosmetics lip kit, glitter lip kit. This is actually on my Instagram, the video. Kiss proof, swim proof, turn up proof, cruelty free. It's pretty much like a primer, glitter, and lip liner. Pretty good brand, I'm gonna tell you. But anyway, this is the star of the show. So you guys pick it up. It's a good cost. 5% of all sales are going to be donated towards Siria and her struggle and her fight with cancer. So please consider this, and it's a very good cost. $54 for this, $54.99 is worth it, and has all the gorgeousness, all the multi-chromes and duochromes. So link is going to be below in the description box. And my code with Gourmande Girls is Elaina Glam, and it's usually good with 10% off. So thank you all for watching. Leave me a comment, let me know what you think. And do like this video if you enjoyed it. Do subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. And follow me on social media. All the links are down below in the description box. And ring notification bell to get notified of all new videos I upload. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you guys. Bye!